Did you know that when you eat can be just as important as what you eat? Imagine unlocking your body's natural ability to heal, burn fat, and detox simply by changing your eating schedule. In this video, I'm going to reveal how intermittent fasting can supercharge your body's healing process and prepare it for a healthier, more vibrant life starting today. Hi, I'm Allan Wohrnitz, and today we're talking about the incredible benefits of intermittent fasting and how it detoxifies your body by giving your digestive system a break. You see, when your body isn't constantly digesting food, your liver can focus on what it's meant to do: detoxify toxins, produce the master antioxidant glutathione, and help you heal at a cellular level. Stick with me until the end of this video, and I'll also share how you can get personalized advice to start intermittent fasting safely and effectively. Let me share a quick story. A few years ago, I worked with someone who was struggling to lose weight, battling fatigue and suffering from frequent bloating and digestive issues. They had tried every diet and supplement out there but saw no lasting changes. When we introduced intermittent fasting, it was like flipping a switch in their body. They not only lost weight, but their energy levels skyrocketed and they felt more mentally clear and focused than ever. The secret? It wasn't about deprivation or a complicated plan. It was about giving their body time to rest and heal through fasting. Now, you might be wondering, how does intermittent fasting actually help your body heal? Let's dive into the core secrets that makes this such a wonderful tool for detoxification and long-term health. Secret number 1. Intermittent fasting supercharges liver detoxification. First, fasting allows your liver to work its magic. The liver is your body's detox powerhouse, and when you fast, it shifts its focus from digestion to detoxification. This means it can break down toxins more efficiently, convert harmful substances into harmless byproducts, and produce glutathione, your body's master antioxidant that's crucial for fighting inflammation and repairing damaged cells. Secret number 2. Fasting triggers autophagy, the body's natural repair system. When you fast, your body enters a state called autophagy. This is where your body cleans out damaged cells, regenerates healthy ones, and clears away metabolic waste that can otherwise accumulate and lead to inflammation. Think of it as a deep clean for your cells. This process is essential not just for overall health, but for longevity and disease prevention. Autophagy can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and even neurodegenerative conditions. Secret number 3. How to choose the right fasting schedule for maximum benefits. There are several fasting schedules you can choose from, but you don't have to go all in immediately. Some popular methods are the 16-18 schedule, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window, or the 18-6 method. These fasting windows allow your body enough time to detox and repair while still giving you flexibility with your meals. Start with something manageable, like a 12-hour overnight fast, and gradually build up as your body adjusts. Remember, fasting isn't about starving yourself. It's about aligning with your body's natural rhythms. Now that you've learned how intermittent fasting can supercharge your body's ability to detoxify, heal, and burn fat, are you ready to take the next step? If you're feeling inspired but unsure how to start, I'm offering a free 30-minute consultation where we'll personalize a fasting plan for you. Whether you're new to fasting or looking to optimize your health further, this consultation is a great way to get tailored guidance for your body's unique needs. Click the link below to book your free consultation, and let's work together to unlock your body's true potential through the power of intermittent fasting. And remember to hit subscribe for more in-depth health and wellness content that will continue to guide you on your healing journey. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and share this video with anyone who might benefit from intermittent fasting. Together we can spread health, vitality, and healing.